So we are right here at the Tethys by Himalayas to make you get the feel of staying in the lap of Himalayas 15 kilometers before the project where we are now going to take you, and we'll show you what this beautiful, tremendous project looks like. 3 BHK, 4 BHK, 5 BHK villas by one and only Eldeco is doing this particular project, and it's called Terra Grande by Eldeco. So these are all luxurious, well maintained and managed by the brand itself, customized feeling of staying, of course, in farms but in between the hills. So it has a swimming pool, it has a lot of amenities, it's maintained and managed by the brand itself. So this is what we are here for, and we are staying at this beautiful place called Tethys, which is just like 15 kilometers before this place where we're going to take you. Welcome to Terra Grande by Eldeco. Here we are finally 15 kilometers approximately above Kasauli. It's called Sirmaur near Kasauli, and it is launching a brand new project of luxury villas which is self-managed by the brand itself. So that's the best part. You don't have to manage any villa, no services by your own self. The brand is going to do it for you. So this is the luxury segment of this particular brand called Terra Grande by Eldeco. Eldeco, of course, as we all know, is a 40 years old plus renowned brand, discovering more than 200 properties in the entire North India of more than 200 plus cities. The projects are already delivered. So another legacy brand that we are shooting today and getting you today. Of course, the outer segment of how and the placement of the entire location of what beauty and sereneness that you'll be able to see here. The villas are 3 BHK, 4 BHK, 5 BHK starting, and of course, it is really pocket friendly. So stay tuned for the entire video. Keep watching so that you know what exactly we are here getting you, and of course, your next holiday destination, a holiday home that you can book through us or of course through Eldeco. We are now taking you towards the tour of the sales office first to show you right behind me what the property will look like. Construction start ho chuki hai, delivery is in 2027. Stay tuned for more updates. There's a fantastic payment plan जिसमें आपको hardly कुछ feel होगा that you're buying a villa in the bed of Himalayas. So we are now taking you, the cart is ready. It's now taking us through the exact location of the sales office. Let's go. We have reached the sales office and we are now taking you inside. समझ लेते हैं कैसा लगता है ये खूबसूरत सा टेरा ग्रैंडे का इंटायर प्रोजेक्ट जो है अप्रॉक्सीमेटली कितने बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म की हिल पे, एंड इफ यू कैन सी 73 विलास इन टोटल, ब्यूटिफुली लैंडस्केप्ड दिस इंटायर प्रॉपर्टी प्रोजेक्ट की तरफ मैं अभी आपको लेके जाऊंगी. Right now we are now finally at between the construction site that you can see right behind me. You can see the sample villa 1 which is almost ready, and this entire patch of 32 acres where there's ample construction already happening. 73 villas, 7 tree houses by the brand, well managed, maintained by the brand. This is the best part. आपका एक luxury home villa feeling में आपको brand maintain करके दे रहा है. लेके जाएंगे आपको विला की तरफ. we'll show you what exactly it looks like. So आपको ये दिखाने के लिए लाए हैं कि कितनी ही serene view away from commercialization. Exactly, आप एक peaceful holiday home इसको बना सकते हैं। 3-4-5 BHK अवेलेबिलिटी इन द विलाज। कॉन्टैक्ट हमें भी कर सकते हैं, ब्रांड को भी कर सकते हैं, Terra Grande by Eldeco. Now taking you finally towards the villa to show you what it looks like. So this Villa 1 sample is 4 BHK. दिखाएंगे आपको क्या क्या है इसके अंदर. The amenities just came down from the driveway that you can see. The car parking is right here. There's a garden that we'll go through and that's the main door. This from the outer side you can see an open shower area, the store room, and of course right behind me there's also a steep garden that you can see नीचे. तो अब आपको लेके जा रहे हैं inside the villa and how it looks like. You can also see the on-site construction, the bridge construction right there. A fantastic, beautiful view to show you the right side of amenities. Taking you now inside what the villa looks like. This is the main entry foyer. Of course, right now the construction is happening because this is all going to be developed in glass that you can see. Beautifully designed. Taking you inside, we'll show you what the main drawing dining area will look like. So this is what the main drawing room and the dining area will look like. Right adjacent to this is a servant quarter place area, and this is an open deck which is of course facing this entire beautiful view and open space to sit out in the evening during whatever times, because it always has a pleasant breeze that is coming in. Lot of sunlight, all covered up in glass. So there's a swimming pool adjacent right here or towards our right, जो हम आपको दिखाएंगे नीचे जाके. 3 bedrooms on the lower floor. There's a staircase which goes downstairs to the lower floor as well. So there's 1 bedroom right across here towards another front facing arena that you'll be able to see. We'll also show you what exactly and how beautifully this has been designed, because the entire view from here with a lot of sunlight that you can see already surpassing inside is giving you a beautiful, tremendous view. So coming down from the staircase towards the lower floor, which has 3 more master rooms and of course a master room and 2 more bedrooms, along with a family lounge area that will be here to accommodate the others. So right over here are 2 master rooms, washrooms, and of course towards this side there's another set of bedroom that you'll be able to see, and of course a fantastic open side view जो आपको दिखाएंगे फिर से. So the villa that you can see right behind me is a 4 BHK sample first villa. We've already shown you the amenities in this. The swimming pool is on my right, the kitchen garden is on my left, a huge lawn where I'm standing, an open deck on the upper floor, the open kitchen, washrooms, maid room, servant room, driver room, 4 bedrooms, 4 washrooms, dry dining, family lounge right behind me. Beautifully done up. Eldeco is launching this under the name of Terra Grande. So it's Terra Grande by Eldeco, launching luxurious villas, well maintained by the estate itself. So it's a self-managed villa. You don't need maids, cooks, someone to serve you when you're here to enjoy your holiday home. So in totality, you're getting a package full of holiday home under this one. So do not forget to book Possession 2027, fantastic payment plan that we are offering you. 3, 4, 5 BHK options available. 7 tree houses are also available. 73 villas in total. Few of them are left. Quite a bit are getting sold at the earliest. So do not miss the chance. Come soon. Contact on the number flashing on your screen. Very less AQI in the bed of Himalayas, and you can see कहाँ nature की lap में हम बैठ के मनाएंगे अपने holidays in our own home. Also don't forget to subscribe, like, share a comment, and of course you can also log in and subscribe us, follow us on our Instagram, South Delhi Properties Alisha Khanna, and we'll keep getting you more such beautiful investment options आपके लिए construction site पे. इस तरीके से we will sit down and आपको हर तरीके से visit कराएंगे. So do not forget, we get you beautiful options starting as less as 1 CR and take you up to 100 CRs. So keep contacting, keep DMing us, and of course keep subscribing. Thank you. Khanna Associates collaborating, South Delhi Properties, Alisha Khanna, Terra Grande with Eldeco. Yay!